Hey guys, here is my, it's actually made by Accucraft. It was a RGS work truck number 6. It was not made by Berlin. It's geared a little bit different. This one probably has about 10 or 15 minutes run time. It does have DCC installed. Let's see here. This one does come with the Accucraft driver in it. It's a little bit harder to find the black one than it is the silver one. Anyway, just wanted to let you see it. It does run well. Like I said, it is geared a little bit different. It's a little bit slower than the other number 6. Anyway, thank you for watching.